Hiring shouldn't feel complicated. With Synclo, recruitment is structured, organized, and easy to manage from one place. The recruitment dashboard gives you a real-time overview of open roles, candidate progress, and hiring activity. In Job Requisitions, hiring needs are created and approved, forming the foundation for new roles. Moving to Job Posts, positions can be published and tracked, with applications flowing directly into the system. Within Job Details, candidates are organized based on the pipeline configured earlier. The hiring stages and substages you defined are reflected here, giving you a clear, structured view of every candidate's progress. Displayed in a Kanban-style layout, you can easily move candidates between stages and track status at a glance. In all applications, you can view every candidate, access detailed profiles, and filter applications to quickly identify the right fit. Scheduled screenings allow you to plan interviews, track feedback, and keep the process moving. And in Manage Candidate Offers, you can generate and manage offers without leaving the system. From requisition to hiring, everything is connected, giving you full visibility and control across your recruitment process. Simplify hiring. Move faster. Hire better with Synclo.